So here we go with another one then. We're on Clent Hills today.
It's weird because the finals in Berlin. North is that down?
So that's the 4 stones of Clent behind, and they were actually made for Lord Lyttelton as a folly, which is basically just a cosmetic thing for people visiting to look at from down in the valley. Lord Lyttelton, he was a politician around here. Yep, so Clent Hills today, and it's the most popular non-paying location in Worcestershire. Over 1 million visitors a year apparently. So Titterston Clay and Brown Clay Hill in the distance there.
Ice shelter in the glacier.
Yes, that's a boulder from Cader Idris. That's an aqueduct mountain in Wales.
Is it left or down there? Isn't it?
So far.
Fuck's sake, man.
So that's the trig point of Walton Hill. That's behind there. It's the highest point in Clent, I think. So there's Licky Hills, Waisley Hills or Wasley, and the city centre there in the far distance. Wouldn't fancy coming down here in the mud.
This reminds me of that. Remember that bit on the Giddy Edge where we just come to this bit? It was just like walking down a hill and I slipped.
Oh, for the forest was it? 1968. time. Trees on fire. That's it then, circled back to the 4 stones. So Clent Hills, red brown mudstone rock for all you geologists out there. That's another one done in Clent Hills, and thanks to Loz for coming along, and peace, see you next time. Oh mate, Doctor Who, innit? Every woman, every man, join the caravan of love.
Stand up,
stand up,
stand up. Look at that little baby lamb having a sup.
Classy man, isn't you?
Women in man. Well done, yeah. Let's give you a pat on the back, man.
Fucking Neanderthal, ain't you, man?